If you compare yourself to others, you may become vain and better, vain and better, vain and better, vain and better. For always there will be greater and lesser persons than yourself. Eat, eat, enjoy, eat, eat, enjoy, eat, eat, enjoy, eat, eat, enjoy, eat, enjoy. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career. However, humble. It is a real position in the changing fortunes of time. But let not this blind you to what virtue there is. Many persons strive for high ideals, and everywhere life is full of heroism. Be yourself, especially in the vain affections. Neither be single about love. For in the face of all aridity and disenchantment, it is as perennial as the grass.
They guided the counsel of the years!
Gracefully surrendering the things of youth. Nor the strength of the spirit, the children is sad in misfortune, but God is never resolved in dark imaginings.
Many fears are born with fatigue and loneliness. Fatigue and loneliness!
You have the wholesome discipline. Be gentle with yourself. You are a child of the universe, no less than the king of the stars. You have the right to hear. Whether or not it is clear to you, no doubt the universe is unfolding as it should. For be at peace with God. 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 Whatever you conceive Him to be, whatever your labors and aspirations, in the noisy confusion of life. Keep